You guys are going with me today to my laundry room. So I'm going to be decluttering, cleaning, and organizing my laundry room. Something that is well overdue. The whole house was looking good, and then you open that door and it's like, this doesn't belong here. This room does not belong in this house. So I decided to take some time to just really devote myself to that area of my house so that when I'm in there, I have a nice clean space to fold and hang our laundry and just go ahead and knock it out. Because I used to be the girl that lived out of a basket, meaning nothing got folded, nothing got hung up. Like, oh, there's the shirt, there's the pants, let me go ahead and grab it. So yeah, I'm gonna be knocking that out, so stay tuned. My face is so oily. But I'm trying this YouTube thing again. For a minute, I kind of like just gave up and didn't want to do it. But I really desire to like vlog and just take you guys with me throughout my life, because I feel like I have a pretty exciting life. We have a lot of fun, but there's some things that I want to share with the world. So I'm doing this again, to say the least. But today we are going to be I'm going to be organizing my laundry room. It's an absolute mess, and I've been saying for a very long time that I need to organize it. Yeah, it's so it's nasty, but I hate doing laundry, and I feel like I need to enjoy the space where I have to spend a lot of my time. So you guys are gonna go with me. I bought some baskets to kind of help with organizing, and then I got a lot of clothes in here that need to be donated and clothes that need to go to the cleaners. So I'm preparing for my week as well. So I'll be loading my cart up, putting clothes in the clothes that are being donated in the cart, and then the clothes that are going to the cleaners. So as y'all can see, my daughter has come back into the shot. She really wants a YouTube channel. I don't know about that yet. So yeah, I asked my daughter to bring me some water. I got really hot during this time. Your girl was moving, so I needed some water. have cleaned up the laundry room. It took me longer than I expected, but now I'm about to organize it. And I bought these little baskets. They were real cute from Ross. But I wanted to organize with baskets instead of just putting stuff back on the shelf, just because I feel like it looks better. And I know a lot of people agree with me. Hey, beautiful. So I'm about to organize it. I got some cleaning, so I am going to have to no, babe, no. But I am gonna have to get some more baskets for like my cleaning product. This I probably do for like toiletries, because I don't want anything to spill out into these baskets. So maybe like toiletries, stain removers, the laundry products and toiletries. And then I probably just get some baskets from Dollar Tree for the actual cleaning products. And so this basket, I want to show y'all something. This is our sock basket. I don't know how we end up with so many mixed match socks, but we do. So we put them in here. If it comes out the dryer and it only has one, you put it in the basket. So I cleaned this basket out earlier. I left all of these because these are Randall's socks, and I want him to go through them because he may have his other the single mate stash somewhere that I don't know about. But out of all the socks, so it was like overflowing. I think y'all seen it earlier, but it was overflowing. Y'all, I only got 4 mates out of the entire basket. Alright, so the laundry room is finally finished. This side here has our cleaning products, and then moving over to this side where I have the baskets. This is our laundry stuff. This is the sock basket I was telling you about. And then here I've put some of our tissue paper. I'm not sure if I will change that later. But yeah, that's what we have in there for right now. And then here we have some dryer sheets. And we have our different laundry detergents, odor blasters, and stain removers in this basket. And then this one is like miscellaneous household products. So these baskets really came in handy. And then we have the bleach over to the left, but I love those baskets. So the bleach, I'm thinking about putting them in like a glass container. I've had some from IKEA, so I'll probably go back and get a couple other bottles for that and for vinegar. But I'm loving the organization in this laundry room now. So yeah, and Ross has great prices on those baskets. And for this area here, I have some items that I found around the house that needed a better location. So why not put them here in the laundry room? I love those. I forgot where I got the word board from. And then the little greenery came from, I think, Goodwill or somewhere. But this vase, I'm thinking of putting some fresh flowers in or something off of Pinterest. But I'll figure that out soon. But it looks good for now. And then moving down, we have Randall's like tool drawer and tool cabinet, just so it's kind of out of sight, but definitely not out of mind. He'll know exactly where they are, so he can put whatever he needs down here, and the kids they're not rambling in it. It's not in the way, and everything just looks really, really nice. So I am loving the laundry room. I know my husband, when he got home, he was definitely impressed. So this is our laundry room. Thank you guys for watching the video, and hopefully you will subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos like this coming soon, so you guys stay tuned in, and thank you.